Don't worry, I can do it. Dang it. My finger hurts.
You want me to do it?
Nah. Dang it.
Did you spill it on the floor?
Dang it, I put the jelly in my hair.
Do you need help yet? Because you got it on the floor and in your hair. Stop. I think you have enough jelly there. I think you should just spread that around.
That's good.
Alright, spread it around. Good job. That looks like it's the best peanut butter and jelly ever. Let me see you enjoy that. Take a bite. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.